Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Health and Nutrition series. Let me begin by asking you a simple question. What do you think is the biggest challenge in sustaining the habit of healthy eating? You know something? It is easy to make your ideal diet plan but difficult to follow it. So we tend to take a shortcut. We consider consuming supplements of various nutrients to compensate for a lack of a healthy diet. Are nutrient supplements really benefiting you in long run? Consuming supplements unnecessarily can probably be harmful and can have ill effects on your body as they are chemically produced in the laboratories. Let me ask you another important question. Do you think eating healthy is expensive? Well, it is all about what you feel is important for you. We generally do not think much about spending on things that we find are important to us, like shopping in malls and spending exorbitantly in exotic restaurants. So think about your health and nutrition as an important investment in yourself and shop wisely. Another myth is that eating healthy is time and effort taking. Fast foods, as called, are fast and cheap options, but they contain lots of unhealthy ingredients, which can cause problems such as obesity. And if you think you do not eat it often, eventually you will develop a habit of it because you find it as an easy option. Let me ask you one more question. Do you like traveling? We all love traveling, isn't it? But during traveling, we are often not as disciplined as we are otherwise. However, we can make a better option from the menu to us, or possibly take our own food. People also sometimes say that after having veggies, they feel like they haven't eaten anything. So my advice to them would be to eat veggies first and then eat other things that they relish more. It will help them to control their craving, plus it will help them nourishing their body. So these are the 4 pieces of advice I have for you. Eat natural foods and avoid supplementation unless prescribed by a doctor. Shop healthy food, avoid fast food and make healthy choices, and include veggies in your daily meals. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know your thoughts and please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.